Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Xbox online, connect with Ethernet for stability or use Wi-Fi, sign into your Microsoft profile, and install any dashboard updates. Once done, open the console browser, Internet Explorer on older dashboards, and navigate to YouTube. You do this because the native YouTube app is no longer maintained. The browser is your direct route. Make sure the browser is in desktop mode if prompted, which improves playback compatibility and reveals the full player controls. You should now find a video using the search box or paste the full URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, switch to desktop view to get the standard player. Press play and control playback with the controller, skip, pause, seek, and change volume. If playback stalls, open the quality menu and select a lower resolution. The Xbox 360 browser handles HTML5 differently, so reducing to 480p or 360p often fixes buffering. To finish, sign into your Google account on the site so subscriptions and history follow you. This is optional but useful. If the player won't load, clear the browser cache and settings, restart the console, and try again. You often need a fresh session for cookies and scripts to behave. If issues persist, use a modern streaming stick or cast from your phone to the TV. That's the reliable fallback when the Xbox 360 browser is incompatible with new YouTube features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.